Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for joining us for another unboxing video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Conqueror. Now, we've got our box, we've got our cameras, we've got our camaraderie, but I feel like we're missing something. Perfect. Thank you. So, I don't always open packages with a hatchet, but sometimes it's nice to have on hand if somebody is trying to take your package. And we're talking about this package, of course. Nothing else. Why would we? Inside, welcome to the Manly Bands movement. Inside of that, we've got some information. That is our customer service, phone or email, QR codes, and Instagram and social media. So take a picture if you like what you see, put it on there. Maybe you don't like what you see. Maybe you have the hands of a conqueror that are all calloused with murder and victory. Right? Okay. Inside, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful design. I like this one a lot because of the lighter colors. We have tungsten with platinum plating and koa wood. Koa wood being our native Hawaiian wood that has several different fun grain patterns, dark red, super cool. Also inside is our free black silicone ring. So if you're at the gym trying to conquer clean and jerk 3 sets of 8 at 225 on a Tuesday morning, then you might want to go with something a little bit lighter. No sense in adding more weight to your Tuesday morning. And also some promotional materials, including 20% off of our sister site, Rosie Ray. If the ladies are out there conquering everything as well, then check that out. And other promotionals as they appear. So, whether or not your name is Conan or Kevin, you should go to Manly Bands and check out the Conqueror.